Hi guys, it's Habib here. Finally, we got monetized. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I got monetized on YouTube. Yeah, it's still your boy Habib Educate, and believe me, you can do it. So without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, Aquaba as usual. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my monetization journey on YouTube. So what a lot of people didn't know is I started YouTube in 2021 and got monetized in 2023. So just look at the duration, 2021 to 2023. The thing is, I had two YouTube channels. The first ever channel that I created was Mr. Ture GH. So if you know what I'm talking of. That's where I started. I wasn't perfect. You don't have to be perfect to start a YouTube channel, bro. As you are looking at me, if you are a beginner in the journey, or you are now thinking of maybe making money on any platform or any of the social media platform, bro, YouTube is for you. You can do it. So when I started with the Mr. Ture GH, the first ever video that I uploaded was a short video from someone's status. The thing is, I turned off the comment section because I thought maybe people will come out, with negative comments, which will affect me because I am an emotional person. So I uploaded some 1 2 3 or some few videos from other people's status. When I just pick them, I'll repost them until I got strike on that channel. That was in 2022. So this is how it started. In 2021, I was working with a construction company, at the same time trying to start my own business. That's the mobile money business, selling credit cards and also doing mobile money transfers to customers and agents. So this business succeeded for only 1 month because I was in that business for 2 months. So the first month I got a lot of profits from that business, though I didn't invest much, from some bonuses and also the salary that they pay me each month. Then after that, while I was doing the YouTube in 2021, I had a call from my dad who works in Cote d'Ivoire that we should come and pay a visit, and that was in 2021 December. So we left the business to family and to relatives and travel to Cote d'Ivoire to pay a visit to my dad. That's my younger brother and I. So after the visit, I have to leave my younger brother behind and go back to Ghana alone. So that was also a problem because since then I had grudges with my family members because they are like, why did I leave my younger brother in Cote d'Ivoire and came back alone? This kind of family fights or grudges between the mother side and the father side, where the mother side will try to hijack or keep the children from the father. It's normal. If you know what I'm talking of, so when I went back to Ghana, I went back with some money, but all of a sudden I realized the business was not was not going to survive. Yes, because a lot happened and I don't want to talk or say much about it here. So I just have to leave home because I had a grudge with the family members also. So I left home, went and enjoy friends, and one of my cousin, who was the one he was the one who rented the room, so I joined them, whilst at the same time I searched for job. So I got a job, I started working, at the same time was posting videos once in a while. So I left that business and seek for another job and got it. So I was working with this second job, but the stress was too much. One thing that I want you guys to know here is, no matter how busy you'll be, bro, just keep your account active by posting once in a while until you realize that, yes, now I have the full time on the YouTube journey. Bro, don't let the channel die. Even if you have 2 4 or 20 50 subscribers, bro, just keep your account active by posting once in a while. Okay, so I was like, let's say 1 month will pass, I didn't post, so in the following month I just have to post because I didn't want that account to be deactivated. So I got a strike from the first YouTube channel, which was the Mr. Ture GH, and that motivated me to create a second channel, which was the Habib Educate, and that's the one I'm using till now. When I started the YouTube channel, I went to friends and family to subscribe to the channel because I didn't know much. And what I started was how to edit videos. That's with the second YouTube channel, that's the Habib Educate. So I'll go watch videos, come back, learn more, explain better than the one I watched, add some vibes, and re-upload it. Then at the end you realize that people will end up liking my videos compared to the one I even watched. That's how the thing is. You don't have to be perfect to start YouTube. So as you are watching me, start now. When I started with editing videos, I kept on uploading once in a while. That's on the second channel until 2022 December. Look at how wonderful this is. I started my first channel in 2021, but December I left Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire, went back in January, and in 2022 January I started working, left home, started uploading once in a while, because the first channel got strike, so I have to continue with the second channel. So as I was posting once in a while, in December 2022 I got a call from a strange girl, you know. So when the call came in, she was like,
"Are you Habib Educate?"
I said yes. Please, have I done something wrong? Because mostly, though I didn't do anything wrong, but whenever I come across something strange like this, I end up asking whether I've done something wrong, because I panicked or something like that. Yes, as I said, I'm an emotional person. So I got the call.
"Hello, please, who are you? Are you Habib Educate?" "Okay, then if you are Habib Educate, I'll get back to you later because I'm currently working."
Who is this girl? Okay, no problem. So we hung up the call. I was there in the evening. She called back and we started talking. This girl was the one that helped me to change all the narratives on my YouTube channel till I got monetized. But along the line, I lost her contact.
Emotional damage.
So the thing is, she called me and told me she's impressed, on the videos that I do, and she liked the way I do the explanations. So she also, not knowing she was also a YouTuber, but look at the coincidence here. I am Habib Educate and her channel was N Educate. So if you are watching me right now, bro, go to N Educate's channel and give her a shout out. Just tell her Habib Educate brought you. That's only if you love what I'm doing and you are in support of what I'm telling you, bro. We are all going to make it. So that's how I got in contact with Nana, and since then she told me whatever I need, whether title, thumbnail, tags, hashtags, research, she will help me because she just wanted me to be monetized. So she stick with me and helped me. So it was through her that one of my YouTube videos blowed up, and that's what brought me a lot of subscribers and watch hours. Nana was behind that thumbnail, bro. Thumbnails are magic because I did that video and edited it. I posted it with a different thumbnail. Nana watched the thumbnail and told me, no, Habib, change the thumbnail. So I have to change it, show it to her. She will be like, no, this is not nice. Reduce the writings on the thumbnails and put pictures. So I have to change it, put pictures, and do some few writings. I sent it to her, and at the end she agreed that she is gonna go with this one. So that's what we picked and posted: how to make money online in Ghana through mobile money. So when I posted that video shot. I wasn't concerned at all because I was focused on work. The following day, it was Nana who called me and told me, Habib, have you seen what is happening on the internet? I was like, Nana, what's happening? Because I don't know anything. I have been busy with work. She said, go and check it yourself. That's one thing about her that I like so much, because when there is something I wouldn't want to do the research or go check. I'll just ask her and she'll be like, no, I won't tell you, go and check it yourself or do it yourself. Then I went and checked, and that video was in thousands. I was like, wow. So since then, like, I just started thinking a different way about how the algorithm work. It was strange because I posted with some few videos just for me to sleep and wake up, and the following day, boom, everything changed on that channel. So that's how Nana helped me. And when I was in Ghana, that was in 2022, my dad called me in 2023 April that I should quit my job and come and help manage his business in Cote d'Ivoire. A lot of people don't know why I left Ghana. That's the reason why I left. My dad told me to come and manage his business. And the thing was, like, I was going through a lot in Ghana, especially the lorry fare alone was taking my, 1/3 of my salary. Just imagine, bro. And I wasn't getting a good, internet. So sometimes I just have to rely on the midnight bundle. I won't sleep at night, and the following day I'll go to work and tired. So when I came to Cote d'Ivoire in April 2023, I was blessed with a Wi-Fi in the room here, and at the workplace, at least I'm seeing money. Yes, I don't want to talk much. I'm seeing money. So there I tried to get a microphone and get some few things myself because I had the internet, meaning I have to be consistent now. So in 2023, I was posting once in a while and still talking with Nana. But when it was in November 2023, 1st November, I had the message or an email that my channel got monetized. This was one of the shocking moments I have ever, um experienced. But unfortunately, at that time, my WhatsApp was deactivated, so I lost contact with Nana.
Emotional, damn it!
Because I wanted to celebrate that day with her, but I couldn't. So I got monetized. I applied and did all the necessary things, and at the end they told me I'm monetized. Guys, I don't want to waste my time. Yes, I have a new video on I'll be doing a new video on how I got the email. That was another stress, and how I applied for the payment method and the tax ID. Very strange, and you are not going to believe what I'm going to tell you. So for new YouTubers watching me, you can do it. And if you are not starting or you have not yet started, bro, this is the right time to start YouTube. Yes, because I know the reason why I'm saying that. I have a lot of people who have or a lot of friends who have cashed out from YouTube, and I'm still in contact with them. So what are you wasting your time for? A lot of people are making money on TikTok, others are making on Instagram, and though some are not available in Africa, but YouTube and TikTok is available. Bro, YouTube pays. Never think of the 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 watch hours. Maybe thinking is that it will take a lot of time for you to get to that place. Bro, you can get to that place because now YouTube is also pushing a lot of new content creators. You understand? They are pushing their channels so that they could get more views and subscribers. So this is the right time for you. I am ready to help you 100%. I'll help you from the beginning to ending. Thumbnail, tags, hashtags, whatever you want, I'll help you. So what are you wasting your time for? Why are you wasting your time, bro? Habib is here for you. I don't want to talk much, as I said in this video, but finally I got monetized, and this has to be celebrated, bro. So what do you money what do you guys want me to do? No, let's forget that. We'll do that next time. So it's your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.